Hello guys, I hope you guys are well. In this video I'm going to show you a rich, moisturizing, full of nutrients, natural hair growth oil. This oil is full of antioxidants, it's full of great moisture, and it's full of ingredients that help to nourish and grow your hair. If you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already by clicking that red button. It really helps me out a lot. And yeah, let's get right into it. So all you're going to need is some aloe vera. I'm sure you guys have heard tons and tons about aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great moisturizing agent for natural hair or any kind of hair really. Rosemary really helps with hair growth, and there's a lot of rosemary oils on the market that are diluted and stuff. This is the best way to get the good stuff, okay? And this is a cold process as well, so you're able to retain a lot of the nutrients that you miss when you use the hot process, where you put it on fire and you try and extract the nutrients into the oil. It's very simple. Anyone can do it. The only thing is you need to leave it for a little while. So basically all you do is you combine all three ingredients. I used olive oil in this mixture, but you can use any oil of choice. You can use coconut oil. Obviously you have to bear in mind that coconut oil solidifies depending on the temperature, so whatever your preference is, you can use any oil that you prefer. I love olive oil for my hair. It's really moisturizing for my hair, so that's what I use. So basically you measure your olive oil, add in your rosemary, and add in your aloe vera plant. You can extract the aloe vera from the leaf and not include the leaf in the mixture, but then I just cut it into small pieces and I washed it thoroughly before putting it in. But you can definitely peel off the skin if you prefer. So basically put it away in a warm, dark place, minimum 3 weeks. The longer the better. 2 months if you can go that long. I kept mine for 3.5 weeks before I got it out. As you can see, the oil has gone a little bit darker, which is definitely a sign that the nutrients have been moved into there, and my oil smells like rosemary at this point as well. So basically once you've let it sit for that long, you sieve it to get rid of all the bits of aloe vera and rosemary, and basically you're done. You can use this oil as a pre-poo, you can use this oil as a scalp treatment, or you can use it to massage your scalp, whatever you prefer, and I guarantee it will make a significant difference in your hair. So yeah guys, simple routine. I hope you guys try it out. If you do, make sure you mention me or let me know so I can check it out. Of course I made a little bit of a mess because I still don't have a funnel. I don't know when I'm going to get a funnel, but anyway, let's see. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe by clicking that red button. Give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so I can keep you guys posted on the new recipes that I have coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and yeah, I will see you in my next one. Take care guys. Bye.